So this can be some real money if somebody is missing coverage.
Yeah, and building code coverage is one that is often kind of overlooked. It's like the analogies of me trying to look at my car and figure out what I need. People just don't associate how important building code coverage can be, especially if they are owning a home that's 20, 25, 30 years or older in the metro Atlanta area. There's a lot of code that's been changed since then, but they've been grandfathered in to that, to where it could be substantial costs.
When you say grandfathered in, meaning the government lets them leave the house like it is, but if they rebuild it, there's not going to be any of that. You're going to use, for example, arc fault interrupters in all of the bedrooms where it used to be ground fault interrupters, and before that it was nothing at all. And so would you say that that cutoff is 20 years or so? If your home is older than 20 years, maybe you should make sure that you have that type of coverage in place?
I like to use that as a nice benchmark of a 20-year tool, to where we look at it from that way. Inside of 20 years, there still can be code that has changed. We often don't see it significant to where it's going to have a huge impact to a claim payout or anything of that nature. So 20 years is kind of where we like to start talking about it, but we always love to have the conversation because code changes in counties throughout the year, and it is specific county to county.
I want to switch gears for just a second and go into renters insurance. Is renters insurance something that people tend to overlook during these types of disasters? Because a tenant in an apartment building that was near the flooding, they could experience a total loss of all their stuff, even though the building is not theirs.